Hello boys and girls, in this video we're going to go over how to get to and use our musictheory.net exercises. Okay, after you land on my homepage, go ahead and go to useful links right here. And if you are a violin, flute, clarinet, or trumpet player, you'll be using this first link up here. If you are a cello or trombone player, you'll be using this second link here. Let's take a look at the link up top for our violin, flute, clarinet, and trumpet players. Here we go. It will land you over here in this little reading game that we have. Right here, it tells you the percentage. And to the left here, it will tell you how many questions you've answered correctly. And to the right, it will tell you how many questions total you've tried to answer. So let's see what happens here. Right here, I know the answer for the treble clef right here. This note is an E. I'm going to click on that. It's going to flash green. It's going to tell me I got the correct answer. As you can see, I have 100% right now because I've answered one question correctly out of one question I've tried. So it's 100%. Okay, and this one is a C. See, I have 100%. 2 questions correct out of 2 questions given. Now I know this one is an E, but I'm going to click on the wrong answer on purpose. See, I've clicked on the wrong answer. It gave me a red right here. It tells me it is incorrect. And as you can see, my percentage just dropped down to 67%. So 2 questions correct out of 3 questions answered. So I can go ahead and try again. Let's see what happens if I get it wrong again. If I get it wrong again, the red stays on the button telling you it's not F, it's not G, try something else. Okay, but you see my percentage has dropped from 67 to 50% now, so it has gone even lower. So I've answered 2 questions correct out of 4 that I've tried. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to hit E right here, and that's correct. See, that brought my score up to 60% now. 3 correct out of 5 answered. Okay, so you would just keep going, and you can time yourself as well just to see how well you're doing, if you're improving every day. Okay, let's go ahead and go to right here, this link for our cello and our trombone players down here. So this is our bass clef. This little picture is called bass clef. Okay, and I know that is a B. And then I know that's a G, I know that's a C, and D, and also in the background you can hear those sounds being played as you click them. Okay, of course you have to make sure your speaker is on to hear the sound, but hearing them is not really important right now. I just want to make sure you can read these notes and know what letter they are quickly. Okay, alright, that's a C. Alright, time to hit some wrong answer on purpose. Here. So let's try an F. It's not an F, it's not a G, not an A, not a B. I know that's an E, but I'm gonna keep hitting the wrong answer. See, I've hit all of them wrong, and this would be my last choice, I guess, or guess in some of your cases. Okay, so now you see I've tried to answer 11 questions, but I only got 5 of them correct, so that gave me a 45% right here. And I click on that. There you go, that is correct. So that is how this Theory.net website works. Okay, and of course we'll go over reading in class. So in class you will know what each one of these lines are called and what each one of these spaces are called. Really quickly, I will go over them here, but I will also definitely go over them in class. So while we have this treble clef up, if you're a cello or trombone player, just know that the first line down here, it is called G, B, D, F, A. But that's kind of hard to remember, so we're just going to use a really funny sentence to help us memorize them. So you can think to yourself, good burritos don't fall apart. Okay, for these lines. And between these lines, there's a space here, 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 and here. And these spaces, they are A, C, E, and G. And you can think all cows eat grass. Okay, so that's how that would work. And if I would quickly just come back here to our treble clef, so this will be for our violin, flute, clarinet, and trumpet players. The lines here are E, G, B, D, F. So you can think every good boy does fine, or you can say every good bird does fly. That would be an easy way to remember. And these spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, these spaces here, you can say face, F-A-C-E, face. Okay, it's an easy way to remember this. Now down here in this big old space here, that's a D, and you just kind of have to remember that. All right, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching our video. See you some other time.